Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your resume and LinkedIn alignment with Zety step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Zety website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the resume builder interface. Choose a resume template that suits your professional style. Fill in your personal information in the designated fields. Next, input your work experience, starting with your most recent job. Detail your responsibilities and accomplishments for each position. Use bullet points for clarity and readability. Continue by adding your educational background. Include any relevant certifications or special skills. Once you've completed your resume, review it for accuracy. Make sure there are no spelling or grammatical errors. Now, download your resume in the desired format. Next, open a new tab and go to LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Click on the pencil icon to edit your profile. Begin by updating your headline to reflect your current career goals. In the summary section, summarize your professional experience, using a few engaging sentences. Copy any relevant sections from your Zety resume to ensure consistency. Update your work experience, mirroring your Zety resume entries closely. Next, review your profile picture and banner image. Make sure they are professional and align with your personal brand. Once you've made all changes, click the Save button. Finally, double-check both your resume and LinkedIn profile for alignment. Ensure that the information is consistent, showcasing your expertise effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.